Welcome to the Langex Made Hardware Simple series. This course is specifically designed for Langex A-Blockly and the ESP32S3 AOEP Basic Development Kit. Today's task: using natural language programming to light up an LED. On our basic development board, there is already an integrated LED. It is connected to the I/O1 pin. In this experiment, we will write a program to control the output state of this pin via natural language, allowing us to physically toggle the LED on and off. We'll use the Langex AI Assistant to generate the code. First, create a new project. Select ESP3 to IoT Basic as your mainboard. Next, open the AI chat window. Enter your prompt, write an LED blink program for me. Specify pin, I/O1, and interval 500 milliseconds. Wait a moment while the AI processes and generates the program. The logic blocks will automatically appear in the workspace. The execution logic is divided into two parts. Step 1, initialization. Configure pin, I/O1 to output mode. Step 2, the main loop executes sequentially. Set output too high on delay for 500 milliseconds, then set output too low, OFF. Delay for another 500 milliseconds. You can also click View Code on the interface to study the underlying source code. Once the program is ready, select the correct port for your board. Click Upload to upload the code. Once the upload is successful, the board will automatically reboot. And now, the LED should be blinking steadily every 500 milliseconds. Task complete.